everyone, I'm here to share with you how to apply to one of Hungarian scholarship program for both bachelor's, master's, as well as PhD, and we're closing next year, January 2026. Once I share you a link from my platform, you're going to reach this page where it's going to welcome you. Once you reach this page, you find some guidelines you need to follow and consider checking them thoroughly and fair, because once you don't check, you find that you might lose some of important information. Sometimes, like in terms of requirements and eligibility, don't just rush to go straight to the application. As you can see here, there's tuition, education, exemption, monthly stipend. You can see here accommodation, medical insurance, non-eligible, eligibility applicants will be considered in the following cases: Hungarian citizens, those with dual citizen, as you can see. So I'm not going to, of course. How to apply? You're gonna click this one. It will take you through to the section to apply. Also, we have a certain link here. You can check also this link to go through the process. So I'm not use this one, I'm going to use this one. The reason why I'm using this one was this timeline. I'm not saying you should use this one too. No, the application link, if you can check, let me just scroll up half the page. If you can check here, you find online application system. So this is the one you need to go through, but the same process. Even if you use the one I'm using, the one which was on the website below here, it was just fine. The reason why I'm using this post as timeline. So if you want to apply for doctorate, here is your link, you can click. Or if you want for bachelor's, master's, you can just use this one. So I'll go to bachelor's and master's. The reason why I'm going there, I just want to show you timeline for the application. You can see the timeline's deadline: 15th January, 26th February, first selection point, technical check. You can see statement of supervisor if required for doctorate. You can see March, mid-March, and June. Visa process arriving in Hungary by September. So that's why I wanted to use this link, just to make sure that you don't miss the timeline, because some people usually ask about when I'm going to receive my decision whenever I apply. It's not exact, it's not immediate once you apply. It's a process, because you have to pass through a process. So this process, you can see, it has several steps which you have to pass through up to the end here if you be a successful candidate. If not, maybe you might end somewhere else, but due to different number of students you received, you are not successful. Sometimes you are not successful, it comes because you didn't check the requirements, you didn't finish the all required document to submit on time. So I urge you, this month of November, once you prepare our Christmas for month of December, it's a time to, of course, to go for holidays, vacations, but mostly you have to make sure everything is completely finished, but you don't have any pressure. Some of you might need to get recommendation letter from your lecturers, from your supervisors, from work. They might be going for holidays, so this is a time for you to prepare for those documents to be on your desk, on your computer or on mobile phone. These documents are so important because you need to have them before most of our offices or departments have closed. So make sure you have them with you. Thank you.